Hey everybody, in this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Line app old account recovery. So to recover your old Line account, you have to reinstall the app and log in using your phone number. So basically head over to your respective app store, type in Line and install the app. So wait for it to completely install. Once the Line application is installed, click on the open button. Now then click on the login button and click open, whether this is your a main device or sub device. Select one of these options and click on the open button. Now here you'll be provided with login with QR code or login with another method. You could try using another method if you have so. You could log in with phone number as well as Apple ID or Google account as well. Select one of these method and you just want to make sure to enable the permissions and open this up. Once again, you want to go ahead and type in the information. Now then, I'm going to quickly use my Google account, and this way you should be able to recover your old Line account. So you could then go and transfer the verification. So click on OK button, and this way you should be able to enter in your this way you should be able to recover your old Line account. So now I just have to enter the account transfer code here. So instruction has been sent or through the Line app, so you just want to go ahead and open it up, and that's how you should be able to recover your old Line account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.